Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here with you to solve second semester second semester BCA examination July August 2024 NEP syllabus computer application paper 2 discrete mathematical structure. The paper code is DCCA 203 and the time duration is 2.5 hours. Maximum marks was 60. So answer all the sessions. Session A will carry any six questions. Out of nine, you will be answering any six. So here the question number one is, what is the truth table for implication? So as we have discussed in the previous videos, all the questions which we have discussed in the videos were there in the paper. So we'll just kind of see the solution for this paper which you have written recently. So yeah, the implication is nothing but P, Q, P implies Q. Implies means if then. Now it is T, 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 F, T, F. What is the condition for implication? If it is T and F, it is F. If not, it is T. Then moving with the next question, we have find the union and intersection of the given set. So here given A is 1 to 5 and B is 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, A union B. Union B is nothing but writing together. All the elements writing together is the A union B. So you should write all the elements, but the condition is the repeated elements will be written only one time. So here A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then A intersection B. Intersection is nothing but common. Selecting the common element from A and B. What is common? 2 is common. Moving with the next question, what is a unit matrix? Give an example. A unit matrix is also known as identity matrix, is a square matrix in which all the elements in the principal diagonal are 1. So this is a principal diagonal, all the elements of principal diagonal are 1 and all other elements are 0. So other elements are 0. Then this is called as unit matrix. Then next one is verify, find x and y. If they have given 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, 2 and 4, 5, 4y equals 6 minus 1, 2 and 12. So it is an equal matrix because the order of a matrix, both the matrix are same. So we can compare first element with first element. So you get 3x will be 6, x will be 6 by 3. So x will be 2. So next one, by comparing y fourth element with fourth, we get 4y equals 12. So y will be 12 by 4. So y equals 4 3s are 12. So x is 2 and y is 3. Next one, simplify the value or find the value of 11c7. 11c7 means we can write this in the form of 11c 11 minus 7. You have a formula, ncr will be equal to nc n minus r. To reduce the step we use this formula. So it becomes 11c 11 minus 7 is 4. So it will be 11c4 now. So 4 if it is there or in our place, we should repeat the element, that is number, from 11 to 10, 9, 8. 4 elements divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, factorial of 4. 4 2s are 8, 8, 3 1s are 3, 3s are. So it will be 10 3s are 30, 30 into 11. So it will be 330, 33, 0, that is 330. Moving with the next one. Sixth question number 6, write the recurrence relation of Tower of Hanoi problem. The Tower of Hanoi is a classical problem that involves moving a set of disks from one peg to another using the intermediate peg. Let T and V represent the minimum number of moves required to solve the Tower of Hanoi problem, and N is the disk. So the recurrence relation for annoyed problem is t into n equals 2 into t into n minus 1 plus 1. Then moving with the seventh one, state the principle of mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is a technique and a method to prove mathematical statement or formula or theorem which is thought to be true for each and every natural number n. It consists of two step, basic step and inductive step. Moving with the next question, you have reflexive relation. What is reflexive relation? A relation R is reflexive if every element of A is related to itself. So, for example, for every element A in A, there is a pair A comma A belong to R. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, then what will be the reflexive relation of this set? It will be 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 3, where R is a reflexive because every element is related to itself. Then what is symmetric? A relation R on a set A is symmetric if for every pair A comma B in R, the pair B comma A is also there in R. In other words, if A is related to B, then B also must be related to A. For example, 1, 2, 3 is a given set. Then what will be the symmetric relation? 1 comma 2, then reverse of 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, then reverse of 3 comma 2 is the reflexive symmetric relation. Then moving with the ninth question, state handshaking property of graph. The handshaking property of graph states that the sum of degrees of all vertices is always twice the number of edges. That is, E from V belongs to capital V, degree of V will be equal to 2 times of edges E. Then moving with the next question, part B, section B. You have four questions you should answer. Each question carries 6 marks. So yeah, question number one, that is 10. Write the inverse, converse, inverse, and contrapositive. So the given statement, let us take it as P. I steady hard. Then Q will be I get good marks. I get good marks. So now we have to write this in the form of converse. What will be converse? Converse is Q implies P. If I study, if I get good marks, then I study well. I study hard. I study hard. Then next one, inverse. What will be inverse? Inverse is negating both P and Q. So if I do not, if I does do not, do not or does not, if I does not study hard, then I will not get good marks. Then next is contrapositive. Contrapositive is reverse of inverse. Negation P, negation Q. So if I will not study, if I will not get good marks, then I does not study well. Study well or study hard. Moving with the next question, find the contradiction for the given condition. What is the condition given here? If it is PQ, P means TTFF, TF. Now, first condition is P and Q. What is P and Q? P and Q says when it is T and T, it is T, otherwise, it is false. It is all false. Then, next, second bracket, you have P or Q. P or Q is what? P or Q is if it is F and F, if it is F and F, it is F, otherwise, all are true. So now negation of P or Q, whatever answer you got, reverse it. F, 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 T. Then next one is Uh, that is, we can call this as 1 and then this 2. I can write 1 and 2. So you have to check in this 2. The condition is and. That is T and T T. If not, it is false. We have any T and T? We don't have. So the answer is F, 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 F. And if all the answers are F, then it is contradiction. It is a contradiction. If all answers are false, it is called as contradiction. Then moving with the next one. Find the rank of the matrix. So rank of the matrix here it is 4 by 4. So we can say rank of A will be lesser than or equal to 4. So it will be lesser than or equal to 4. So we will take here we'll take 3 by 3 matrix, determinant of 3 by 3, determinant. So it will be 0 1 minus 3 1 0 1 3 1 0. Expand this determinant for 3 by 3. It will be plus minus plus. If I take plus, so it will be 0 into something is 0, so no need of calculating. Then if I take second one, minus 1, it will be 1 into 1 will be 0, minus 3 into 1 is 3. Then going with the next one, plus and minus minus 3 into that row and that column. If you leave, it will be 1 1 are 1 minus 0. So it will be minus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into 1. So minus and minus become plus and it is 3 0. So it becomes 0. If it is 0 means rank of A will be lesser than or equal to 3. It is not equal to 3, it will be lesser than or equal to 3. Then we'll take 2 by 2 matrix. That is 0 1 1 0. So it will be 1 0 zeros are 0 minus 1 ones are 1. So you got minus 1. Rank of A will be minus 1. Therefore, the rank of A is minus 1. The rank will be equal to 1. 2 by 2 is cross. How many rows are there? Elements which are non-empty sets, non-empty rows. We have 2. Therefore, the rank is 2. Moving with the next one. Show that the function defined by f of x is 2x plus 5 is 1 1 and on 2. So for 1 1, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, then f of x1 will be equal to f of x2. That will be 2x plus 5 is 2x plus 5. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. 5 and 5 cancel. 2x1 will be equal to 2x2. 2 and 2 cancel. We get x1 equals x2. Therefore f is 1 1. 1 to 1. Then to prove onto, let x belongs to R, there exists y belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. So f of x is 2x plus y, 5 is equals to y. So we have to convert in the terms of x formula. 2x will be 5 minus y minus 5. X will be y minus 5 divided by 2. So therefore f is onto. So yeah, next question is find how many ways arrangement can be made with the letter of the word mathematics. So you have to first find the arrangement of the letter mathematics. So yeah, mathematics word carries 11 letters. So it will be 11 factorial divided by A is repeated 2 times, M is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times. That will come 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That will be, if you expand it, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into 2 will be 4 into 2 factorial. Factorial and factorial get cancelled. 2 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So the answer remaining will be 4 9 8 9600, that will be 49 lakhs 89,600 ways we can arrange the word mathematics. Now the second condition is given here. In how many ways of them the vowels occurs together? If you take the vowels together, so here how many letters do we have in as a vowels here? We have A, we have E, we have A, we have I. A, E, I, O we don't have. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have U. So it will be A, E, A, I. So they are four letters. They are taken together as one. Okay. Then remaining is M, T, H, M, T, C, S. So if you remove this letter, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. So it will be 8 factorial divided by. Now how many M's are there repeated? Here M is repeated 2 times, so it will be 2 factorial. Then T is repeated 2 times, it will be 2 factorial. Certainly 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the remaining answer will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into uh, 2 into 3 will be 10080. That is 10,080. Now we have to calculate for the terms which we have taken together. That will be A, E, A, I. That is, we have four letters. Four letters. In four letters, A is repeated 2 times, so it will be 2 factorial. That will be 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 and 2 to get cancelled, it will be 12. So now total answer will be 1008 into 12. We have to multiply this both to write the letters of vowel together. So it will be 10,080 into 12 will be 1,20,960 ways. So in how many ways if we take vowels together we get the solution? We get 1,000. Question number 13. A committee of 9 has to be formed from 7 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways this can be done when the committee consists of exactly 3 boys, at least 3 boys, at most 3 boys? So here exactly 3 boys is equal to 3. So boys will be 3, the remaining will be girls, that will be 6. But here actually we have 5 girls. We cannot select 6 girls from 5. So this is not possible. Not possible. Then the next one is at least 3 boys means it should be maximum will be 3 and at least it can be 3 and minimum will be 3. Maximum can be number of boys how many are there in the total. So yeah, it will be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here if I take 3 it will be 6, which is not possible again. Not possible to find. Then we have next one is 4 plus 5. Yeah, it is there because 5 girls we have. So we have to find it for this will be this will be n and this will be r. So it will be ncr means it will be 7c4 into 5. This will be 5. N will be 5. 5c5. Then it is next one is 7c5 into 5c4. So when you add this two we should get 9. So then 6c5 into sorry, it is 7c6 into 7c6 into 5c4 5c3. So it is 6 plus 3 is 9. Then it is 7c7 into 6c2. So we need to find the values and we need to write the answer for this. So it will be here 7c4 is nothing but 7 into 6 into 3 into 5 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. We have to take 4 reverse numbers because we have 4 digit here. 4 reverse number divided by 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here 4 and 4 get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 6 get cancelled. So it will be 35. So it will be 35 into 5C5 will be 1. That is because NCN is 1. So it will be 35 into 1 will be 35. Then going with the second one, it is 7C5 means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by, it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 3 4 5 3 4 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. So it is 7 3s are 21. So it will be 21 into 5C4. 5C4. It will 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it will get cancelled. So you get 5. So it is into 5. So yeah, 21 into 5 is 5. 5 twos are 10. It is 105. So it is 105. Then next one, 7C6. 7C6 will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 6 numbers divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So all this get cancelled. We get answer as 7. Then it is 7 into 5C3. 5C3. We have to write reverse 3 number. 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So it will be 3 and 3 cancel. 2 1 time, 2 2 times. 5 twos are 10. It is 10. So 7 into 10 is 70. So yeah, 7C7 will be again 1 into 6C2 will be 6C2 will be 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are 2, 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So it will be 50. So 1 into 15 is 15. So adding this we get 105 plus 70 plus 15 plus 35. So it will be 5, 10, 15, 15, 7, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, then 1 plus 1, 2. This will be, total will be, how many committees can be found? You can found 225 committees for at least 3 boys. So yeah, next one. Now next is at most 3 boys. At most 3 boys means maximum should be 3. Minimum can be 0. So 9 we don't have. It is not possible to find because we don't have 9 girls. Then 8 girls also we don't have. It is not possible to find the committee. 7 also we don't have. It is not possible to find. And we don't have 6 also. So it is not possible to. Therefore, possibility of finding the community is possible only when at least they are at least 3 boys. We can find the committees. Okay. So moving on with the next question. The next question is find the coefficient of x square x power 4 y square in the expansion of x plus y to the power of 6. So here we know that binomial coefficient, binomial expansion. Coefficient of binomial expansion. The general formula of binomial expansion is T r plus 1 equals NCR a power n minus r br. So here by substituting here, before we substitute, we have a plus b power n will be equal to the question what they have given. It is x plus y to the power of 6. So comparing the values we get a is equals to x, b is equals to y, and n is equals to 6. Substituting in equation 1 we get T r plus 1 will be n is 6, c r is we don't know, a is x, x power N is 6, 6 minus r. B is y power, r is, we don't know, we'll write it as r. Now comparing the coefficient, for which factor we have to find. So when you compare the coefficient, that is yr by y square, we can see that the value of r is 2. So now substituting r is equals to 2 in equation 2. You can call this as equation 2. So to t2 plus 1 equals 6c2 x power 6 minus 2 y power 2. Certainly 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1, and here it is x power 4 y power y square. So here 2 ones are 2 threes are certainly 15, 3 5s are 15, x power 4 y square. Therefore the coefficient is the 15 x power 4 y square is the coefficient of x 4 and y square. So 15 is the coefficient of x square x power 4 y square in the given expansion. Okay, then moving on with the next question we have is, which of the following is a regular graph? What is regular graph? A regular graph is a type of graph where all the vertex of the given graph has the same degree. So we should find the degree for G1. So here we have V1, V2, V3 and V4. So just we'll find the degrees of this V1. V1 is 1, 2, 3. Three lines are joining, so it is having 3 degree. Then 1, 2, 3, again we have 3 degree. Then for 3, 1, 2, 3, it is 3 degree. Then again 1, 2, 3, it is 3 degree. So it is having all same degree, so it is a regular graph. First one G1 is regular. Then going with the second one, we have second one is G2. G2 we have V1, V2, V3. So V1 is having 2, V1 has 2, V2 has 2, V2 has 2, V3 is also having 2 degree. So it is same again, it is having same degree, then it is a regular graph. So G2 is also regular graph. Then going with the next one, that is G3. G3 is, we have Y1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. V6. So here V1 is how much? V1, 2, 3. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 degree. Second is also 3. Third one is 1, 2, 3. We have 3 for third one. Then 4 it is 1, 2, 3. It is again 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. It is again 3. For 5 it is 1, 2, 3. It is again 3. So all these degrees are same. We have same degree. Therefore, if it is having same degree, the graph is regular. Therefore, all the three graph given is regular graph. Moving with the next question, they have given, here we have, among a group of students, 49 students have study physics, 37 study English, and 21 study biology. 9 study physics and English, 5 studies English and biology, and 4 studies physics and biology. 3 studies physics, English, and biology. Find the number of students in the group. So yeah, what they have given? They have given, let P be the group of students studying physics, E be the group of students studying English, B be the students studying biology. So they've given here N of P will be 47, 49. Then you can write, or you can even write in this way by using the exclusive and inclusive and exclusive formula. You can write P is equals to 49, then E is equals to 37, then B is equals to 21. Then we have combination of P and E will be 9. Then it is E and B will be 5, and P and B will be 4. Then they have given P intersection E intersection B will be 3. So here we have the formula by using inclusive and exclusive property. We can write the formula as P P of u, we have to find here P of u E union B. So the formula for this is, we have P plus B E plus B minus P of P it is minus P intersection E minus P intersection B minus E intersection B plus P of E intersection B. So substituting the values, we get 49 plus 37 plus 21 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So yeah, the values what we get for the answer is how much? 49 plus 37. 49 plus 37 plus 21 plus 3 will give us 110 minus, when you add this it is 18, so when you subtract the answer will be 22. Therefore the number of students the number of students in the group are 90. So moving on with the next question, we have determine whether the relation with the digraph is an equivalent relation. If it is inequivalent relation, we have to prove it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So to prove it, we'll take A, B and C. Three nodes we have, A, B and C. Now we'll check A to A, we have 1. A to A it is 1. Then A to B we have 1. A to B we have 1. A to B we have 1. Then A to C we have 1. A to C we have 1. Then going with B to B is 1. Then B to A we have 1. B to B is 1. B to A is 1. Then B to C is 1. B to C is 1. Then we're going with the C. C to A, yes, it is 1. Then C to C, C to B. C to B, yes, it is 1. Then C to C, it is there 1. So here the relation will become R will be A comma A comma B, A comma C. Then we have B comma A, B comma B, B comma C. Then we have C comma A, there is a relation C comma A, then C comma B, then C comma C. This is the relation which is given in the digraph. So now you will prove that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First one, reflexive. Since we have A comma A, B comma B, C comma C belongs to R, it is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. To prove it is symmetric, it is A comma B we have, then reverse of that B comma A. We have B comma A. Then it is symmetric. Then next one, it is transitive. To prove transitive, we have A comma B, then we can take any other element, B comma C, then you can take first and last, A comma C. We have A comma C. Therefore all three elements are present, it is transitive. If the relation is proving all the three properties, then the relation, therefore it is equivalent relation, because it is satisfying all three properties. It is equivalent property. Equivalence relation. So yeah, next one, moving on with the next question, we have let R be the f from R to R and g from R to R be the functions defined by f of x is equals to x plus 1, and g of x is equals to x 2x plus 1. They're asking you to find the fog and gof. So it's very simple. Fog is nothing but f of g of x. Now what is the formula of g of x we have? We should write it in the place of g of x. That will be 2x plus 1. Now you can see when you compare, in place of x I have written 2x plus 1. So yeah, in the formula for f of x, wherever we have x, will replace with this value. So x will change to 2x plus 1 plus 1. That will be 2x plus 2. So fog of x will be 2x plus 2. Then gof. What is gof? Gof of x. Certainly g of f of x. G of f of x is nothing but g of f of x formula is x plus 1. So now in place of x it is x will change to x plus 1. X will change to x plus 1 in the formula of g of x. That will be gof of x will be 2 as it is. In place of x we'll write the value what we have. That will be x plus 1. Then it is plus 1 as it is. So yeah, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. It will be 2x plus 3. So gof of x will be 2x plus 3. Hence it is 4. So the next question is, solve the recurrence relation of an minus 4 an minus 1 plus 4 an minus 4 an minus 1 plus a 4 plus 4 an minus 2 equals 0. So here let us take, let an equals capital A D n. So substituting this value in equation 1 we get an minus 4 an minus 1 plus 4 an minus 2 will be 0. So it will be a d power n minus a d. If it is n, it is n. If it is n minus 1, you will take it as n minus 1 plus 4 a d n minus 2 equals 0. Now dividing throughout by a d n minus 2, we get a d n minus 2 divided by a d n minus 2 divided by a d n minus 2. So this a and a cancel, a and a cancel, a and a, and this will get cancelled. So yeah, it is dn. If this terms goes up in the denominator, by using the formula of index, an by am will be an minus m. So we'll be subtracting the powers there. So it will be minus n and plus 2. That will become minus 4 we have here. 4 d n minus 1 minus n plus 2. Negative will become positive, positive becomes negative. N plus 0, 4 equals 0. So then we get here this n and cancel, then this n and n get cancelled. So we get d square minus 4 minus 1 plus 2 will be 1 plus 4 equals 0 equals 0. So finding the factor for 4. Finding the factor for 4, we get 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 minus 2. If I take that minus 2 and minus 2, we get d minus 2 into d minus 2 equals 0. So minus 2 goes at the side, become plus 2. So the value of d is 2. That is, the roots are real. The roots are equal and real. If the roots are equal and real, we have another formula, general formula to solve this recurrence relation. That will be an equals d power n into c1 plus n c2. This will use when we will be having the roots as real and equal. So now they have given some condition. What is a naught? A naught is a condition equals 1. So in place of n I have 0. So if you write n equals 0 in equation 2 and simplify, we get a naught will be d power 0 naught and c1 plus 0 into c2. Then it is a naught value is 1 equals d is how much we got, 2 power 0 c1 plus anything multiplied by 2, 0 is 0. So it will be 1 equals 2 power 0 is again 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. That will be c1. So we got C1 value as 1. Now they have given the second condition, that is a1 is equals to 3. So we can take n is equals to 1. That is a1 is equals to 3 means n value is 1. So if you substitute n value 1 in equation 2, we get a1 is equals to d is 2 to the power of 1 into c1 plus n is 1 into c2. So yeah, it will become a1 value is 3. So 3 equals 2 into c1 plus, what is c1 value we got? We'll substitute c1 value, yeah. So what is the c1 we got here? c1 is 1. 1 plus c2. So multiplying this inside, we get 2 into 1 plus c2 equals 3. So yeah, 2 plus 2c2 equals 3. So 2c2 will be 3 plus 2 goes other side, become minus 2. So c2 will be 1 by 2. So c2 value is 1 by 2. Now whatever value we got for c1 and c2, we'll substitute in equation 2. By substituting in equation 2, we get final answer. Therefore an will be 2 to the power of n into c1 is 1 plus n is n itself divided by into 1 by 2 means you can write it as 2. So taking LCM, we get an equals 2 power n, that will be 2 will be LCM, that will be 2 plus n. Now according to this formula base property, we can take the power is 1, if you take up it will become negative. So an will be 2 power n minus 1 into n plus 2. So this is the final answer what is there for the given recurrence relation. Moving with the next question, we have find the prove the mathematical induction for all positive integers n greater than or equal to. So let me take p of n equals the question what they've given 1 by 1 comma 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n into equals n equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So now let we'll take n is equals to 1 for always. So p of 1 will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus goes on till plus 1 equals 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 1 equals 1 means LHS will be equal to RHS. Therefore p of 1 is true. Then moving with the next part, we'll take consider let n is equals to k. So yeah, p of k will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on till k is equals to k into k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 divided by 2. So yeah, therefore p of k is true. P of k is true. Now we shall prove p of k plus 1 is also true. Is also true. So to solve the p of k plus 1, we can write p of k plus 1 equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k. So what will be the next term of k? That will be k plus 1. If it is 1, then second term will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be k means k plus 1 will be the next term. So it will be whatever you have added here, same thing you will add it for your RHS plus k plus 1. Now taking LCM, we can write k into k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 divided by 2. Now taking common k plus 1 as common, we get k plus 2 divided by 2. So what will be k plus 1 is as it is. K plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Now, how to justify your answer is whatever wherever you have n, after finding for k plus 1, it should become n will become k plus 1. So I have n here, it will become k plus 1 divided by 2. It should be same only n will change to k plus 1 after solving the problem. If it is same, then it is satisfied. This property problem is been solved by mathematical induction. Then moving with the next question, we have verify whether the following graph is isomorphic or not to each other or not. So what will be mean by isomorphic? We have to check for G1 and G2, that will be vertex. So how many vertex do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Number of vertex are 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. Even for G it is 4. Then you'll be checking for edges. How many edges we have? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 edges. Then you will check for the degree sequence. Degree sequence of the graph. Degree sequence will be what? That will be for the first one it will be 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 and 1 3, 1 and 1 2, 1 2 3 3. How many lines are joining to that point is called as degree of that point. So here we get 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3. So now next one we'll find for this. So here for next one it is 1 2 3, it is 3, then again 1 2, then 1 2 3, 3 lines are joining 1 2. So it will be 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2. Almost you can see where we have two threes and two twos. Here also we have two threes and two twos. Therefore the given graph is isomorphic. The graph given is isomorphic. Isomorphic graph. Okay, next one. Next question is defined Euler path and Euler circuit with the example. Euler path means what? A Euler path is a graph in a path that visit every edge is exactly once. If it is a visiting every edge exactly once, see this we can take 1 to 7, then 7 to 3, then 3 to 2, and 2 to 1. In the same vertex. Then what will be circular? What will be the Euler path? Euler circuit. Euler circuit is a special case of the Euler path that starts and end at the same point. So now which I showed you can be taken as a Euler circuit. Now what will be Euler path? Every edges it should visit only one time. So it is every edges we are visiting only one time. So that will be example for both for Euler circuit and Euler path. Moving with the next question we have draw a digraph of the following. So let me consider there are 4 points. So A B C D, then I can take A, B, C, D. So we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So now draw the graph for this. It is, we'll take A. So yeah, A to A it is 1. A to A means it is a self loop. Then A to B it is 1. So we have another point called B. A to B. Then A to C it is 1. Then again one more we have. It is C. A to C. Then go for the second line. B to A we have 1. B to A we have 1. Then B to B we have 1. Self loop. B to, sorry, it's not that. B to B is 0. Then other ones we don't have. Then go for the next one. It will be C to D1. If we don't have D here, so we'll write it 1 point D. Then C to D1. Then D to B1. D to B it is 1. Then D to C it is 1. Again D to C it is 1. So this is the required graph of the given matrix. So today we are going to solve find the shortest distance of the shortest distance and shortest path from the vertex A to B. So we'll just consider using the Digraph algorithm. So we'll take this as 1, this as 2, this as 3, this as 4, and this as 5. So points we'll take it as this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5. So here we'll take C, my cost matrix will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we'll find the values for this. 1 to 1 it is 0, 2 to 2 it is 0, 3 to 3 no self loop, 4 to 4 no self loop, 5 to 5 no self loop. Now we'll just consider 1 to 2. 1 to 2 we have 2. 1 to 2 it is 2. Then 1 to 3 it is 3. Then it is remaining we don't have infinity. Then next 2 to 3 we have 2 to 3 we have 2. Then 2 to 1 we have 2. Then remaining only infinite. Then next one C is A. For A it is 3. For B second for 3 A, that is for 1 it is 3, for 2 it is 2, for 4 it is 4, for 5 it is 1. The next one 4 for 4 4 to 3, 4 to 3 you have 1, 4 to 3 you have 4 4. Then 4 to 5 you have 4 to 5 you have 5. Then remaining is infinite. The next one 5 to 3. 5 to 3 you have 1. 5 to 4 we have 5 to 4 we have 5. The remaining will be infinite. Now step 1 is initializing s value as 1, that is source value, source vertex. V will be 1 2 3 4 5. Let us take the vertex 1 as the source vertex. So now initializing the D shortest path. D is the shortest path. So D2 will be C1 of 2. So C1 of 2 means first column, second row it is 2. So the value is 2. Then second one, D3 will be C1 comma 3 means first row third element, that will be 3. Then 4 will be 1 comma 4, it is infinity, and 1 comma 5 is also infinity. Then it will be 2 comma 3 comma infinity comma infinity. So the minimum value will be 2. So here where it is 2, 2 is for which value? It is for D2. So what will be this 2? This 2 is nothing but your W value. So that will be 2. Now here adding that W for S, we get 1 comma 2, and here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 minus 1 comma 2. So that will be 3 comma 4 comma 5. We left out with 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now we have another next formula. dv is equals to minimum of dv comma dw plus cwc wv. So here v is, we have got the values here. These are the v values, that will be 3 4 5. So it is 3 4 5. We got w as 2, so it will be 2 2 2. C1 that will be W is 2 2 2. Then V is 3 4 and 5. So here we have a D3, we have already got the answer, that will be D3 is 3. Then comma D2 is we have 2 plus second row third column is 2. Second row third column is 2, that will be 4. 3 comma 4, the minimum will be 3. The next one you have D4 is how much? Infinity. Infinity. Then D2 is 2 2 plus second row fourth column will be infinity. That will be infinite. So the answer is infinite. The next one is D5. D5 will be D5 is how much? Infinity. Infinity comma, then d5 is infinity, then d2 is how much? D2 is 2, then plus here v is that is 5, that is second row fifth column, it is 5, infinite. So this is also infinite. So filling up the values, we got here 1, here we got the value for this is 2 2 2 infinite infinite. Then we got for second one 1 comma 2, you got the value of w was 2. Then here d2 we didn't get 2. Then d3 is we got 3. D3 is 3. D3 is 3. Here it is d3 is again, here also it is 3. So here infinity, it will next one is infinite infinite. So now moving with the next one, adding a w. Now which is the minimum value of this one? It is 3, and it is belongs to d of 3. It belongs to d of 3. That means w will become 3, f will become s will become 1 2 3. Then again it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 1 2 3. So you get only 4, 5 and 6. So now 1, 2, 3, you cancel 1, 2 and you got 3. So you have 6 we don't have. So it will leave 4 and 5. So it will leave 4 and 5. We leave 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So W will be what? W is 3. 3 and 3. Then it is 4. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 5. So now D4 is how much? D4. D4 will be D4 is infinite, comma D4 D3 D3 is 3, then plus C of 3 comma 3 to 4, 3 to 4 is 4 plus 4. So it will be what? It will be infinite plus 7, the value will be 7. The next one it is D5. D5 is infinite. Okay, infinite. D5, D3. D3, D3 is 3. Then it is 3. Then plus D 3 of 5. 3 of 5 is 1. So it is 1. It will be infinity plus 4. 4 is the minimum value. So in this both, what is minimum value? Minimum value is 4, and which it is? It belongs to D of 5. Therefore, W will become 5 and this will become 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So now this will be, here the values will become 1, 2, 3, infinity, infinity. Then it is 1 comma 2, then it will be 2, 2, 3, infinity, infinity. Now third value we got is 1, 2, 3. Here we got the value of W was 3. So this will be 3. Then it is 2. Then here it is 3. Then here it is 7 and here it is 4. So now moving with the next one, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 5. So here we left out with the that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 really left out. That will be 4. So now we'll find it for 4. D4 will be D4 minus D4 comma W will be 4. 4 comma V is also 4. 4 comma 4. So yeah, it will be D4 is infinity, comma D4 is infinity plus 4 to 4 means fourth column, fourth row it is 0. So it's 0, the answer will be infinite. So this values again we will substitute. Here we get 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3, then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma, what is the W we got here? It is W was 5, 1 comma 5. So here W was first one W was 2, in the second it was 3 and in the fourth is 5. So here it is 2, 3, infinite, infinite, 2, 3, infinite, infinite. Then here 2, 3, 7, 4. And then the here we got answer as that is 4. That is here we got infinite. That will be 2, 3, 7 and 4. Now the last year again, which is the minimum here, we don't have any minimum. So we'll take it as infinite. Then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then if you cancel all this 1 2 3 4 and 5 minus 1 2 3 4 5, all will get cancelled. You get it as 0. That's it. So now we got the null set. So no need of writing the formula again. So iterations you write, you get it will be that value will be 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So here W will be changing to 3, here W changes to 5 and then finally 4. So infinite is here, which one, which number it is? The minimum value for this will be what, which one is the minimum value? We have 4. So 4 belongs to 4 goes to value. So yeah, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4. Then you get 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Then it is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then it is infinity, infinity, 7, 7, 7. Then infinity, infinity. Then you have 4, 4, 4. So now final answer is D3 distances, D3 distances. D2 is 2, minimum distance is 2. D3 is 3, minimum of D4 is 7, minimum of this will be 4. So now which is the shortest path of the circle? You can just add and just check out. For this it is 5, then it is 5, that is 7 plus 3, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then 7, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16. So the shortest path will be this D to 3, D to D3 is the shortest distance.